There is a door inside Vatican City that almost no one will ever open. Not because it is locked with iron, but because it is sealed with silence. Beneath the frescoes, beyond the marble halls, past corridors where footsteps dissolve into echoes, lies an archive so vast that its shelves stretch for more than 85 kilometers. Documents older than modern nations, letters written by kings who no longer exist, testimonies that, if read differently, could rewrite entire chapters of human history. For centuries, this place has been called the Vatican Secret Archives, a name that alone fuels conspiracy, imagination, fear. What is hidden there? Lost gospels? Forbidden knowledge? Or something even more unsettling, a machine that could see through time itself? Tonight, we walk those corridors, slowly, and we listen to what the dust remembers. The word secret is misleading. In Latin, secretum means separated, not forbidden, but set apart. And yet, separation is power. The Vatican archives were formally organized in the 17th century, but their contents go much further back. Scrolls from the early church, trial records, diplomatic correspondence. Imagine a winter morning in medieval Rome. A scribe sits hunched over a desk. The air smells of ink, wax, and cold stone. Outside, history is happening. Inside, it is being recorded. Popes understood something crucial. Power is not only held by armies, but by memory. To control the past is to influence the future. This is why access was restricted, why scholars needed permissions, why myths began to grow like mold in the dark. Because when knowledge is hidden, imagination fills the void. Then there is the story that refuses to die. In the 1960s, an Italian priest claimed something impossible. He spoke of a device built with the help of brilliant scientists, a machine capable of observing events from the past, not traveling through time, but watching it. The Chronovisor. According to the legend, it could tune in to temporal frequencies like a radio dialed to history, witnessing ancient Rome, listening to lost voices, even observing the crucifixion itself. No blueprints were ever shown, no photographs proven authentic, only whispers and silence. Was it a misunderstanding? A metaphor taken literally? Or a truth buried because it shattered theology itself? Because if the past can be replayed, faith becomes evidence, and evidence changes everything. Institutions survive by stability, not by shock. Some knowledge doesn't destroy faith, it destabilizes it. If ancient texts contradict doctrine, if timelines shift, if certainty replaces mystery, then belief changes shape. Perhaps the greatest secret is not what is hidden, but why it remains hidden. Because humanity is not only afraid of lies, it is terrified of truths that arrive too early. The archives remain silent, patient, Perhaps nothing supernatural lies inside, or perhaps everything does. Because sometimes the most powerful secret is the one that keeps us asking questions.